Hey, what's up everybody? We're back with the new video. Check it out. The Aoshima 124 scale snap car kit, GTR NISMO. Check out this beautiful artwork right here. We also got the bottom side artwork right there, kind of breaking it down, what you get in the box. The interior right there, showcasing the wheel right there. You could turn it right there a little bit. Some action. The nice stance. All right, let's see the side. Some more box artwork. The back right there. More box artwork. All right, guys, let's open this up. It feels quite heavy, a little bit thick. Hopefully, I know how to put everything back together the way it was. So let's set this cover aside right here. Hopefully, it don't fall over. Okay, let's see what comes in the box. Ooh, I see the body already, but let's start with the parts. First thing is first, we got the glass right here. The R35, really nice kit. You know, for those that are fans, have been collecting all these kits and you want to get another one, I highly recommend this one right here. It's a good one for starters as well. Set that aside. Here we got the brakes. Ooh, already in yellow, pre-painted right there. You know, snap kits, most of them, they're pretty pre-painted. If you want to customize them and stuff, you're more than welcome to. Here we have the interior tub, the wheels right up in there. All just black parts right here. This looks like part of the roof right there as well. Man, you can put some carbon fiber if you want to. Pretty cool stuff. Let's see here. We got some chrome. Ooh, there we go. The headlights right here, the rear tail lights right there. It's like the what part of the inner housing right there. Ooh, the wings. Nice. Some nice parts right there. All right, let's set this one right over here. All right, we got, looks like the front grille right on this spot right here. Ooh, you got another option right here for a grill. So you got, it looks like you get two of them right there. The windshield wipers as well. There's a lot of parts in this kit, that's for sure. We got the hood, also known as the bonnet, right there. Got the seats right below it. If you guys could check that out right there. Cool stuff. Oh yeah. Then we get some more parts right here. So you guys can make this out. Got the bottom chassis right there, nice and flat. You know, you want to stance this out. You want to get it nice down to the ground. 1 inch right there. Get pulled over from the cops right there, especially here in California. Hey man, you can't have it too low. What are you doing? Boo! Here we have it, guys. The GTR NISMO R35 body right there in the styrene flesh. This is a really nice body shape right here. And then they also hit us with some more instructions and also a how to. Man, I wonder if you could cut these out. I wonder if these are to scale right there to use. They might be kind of big, but and what is this? Like a little backdrop? Kind of looks like. It's kind of cool. All right, set that aside. He also hit us with the water slide decals right there, along with the stickers right there. You know, I know a lot of people are not fans of the stickers, but like I said, you know, it's a snap kit. It's a starter for anybody getting into it. This is cool. You know, you want to snap it together, just kind of get a feel for creating your first model, and you want to, you know, add on these stickers. You might get this kit for your little brother, your little sister, you know. And, you know, you don't got to worry about them playing around with paint yet, right? Give them that freedom to express themselves, peel off these little stickers and just stick them on. Even if they're a bit crooked, you know, it's all good. We can always come back and revisit this kit again. This is really nice right here. The water slide decals. You could always help them out, show them, teach them about applying decals right there. And then at the end, we get the instructional manual. right here. Let's see. The R35 Nissan GTR NISMO Special Edition. Ooh, you get this nice color pages right here. This is dope. This feels like a premium right here for sure when you're getting this, you know, this booklet right here. Once you're done with this model, you know, you start visiting your doctor, your dentist, you know, and you notice they got the same magazines, the same old stuff. Try to sneak this in there, you know, instead of throwing it in the trash, maybe grab a couple of these and just sneak them in with you, you know, just like put them in your jacket. And then when no one's looking, just like pull them out and just pretend like you're like staring at it, you know, like you're reading. And then just put it along with all the other magazines. So this way, while everyone's waiting in the waiting room, you know, somebody will pick this up and be like, what is this? NISMO? What? Oh, wait, what? You know, start tripping out. Wait, what is this? Is this Legos? No, it's not Legos. It's Aoshima Snap Kit. Snap that picture, go home, you know, order it up, and you're good to go. You know, that's another way of spreading the word for the hobby. So, all right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The R35 by Aoshima. Shout out to Aoshima for putting out these products. I hope you guys enjoy this one. I'll see you guys on the next one. All right. Peace out. Thank you for watching. Later.